Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you, dear students of class 10th. Hope by the grace of God, all of you are fine, healthy, safe, and sound. Let us start our today's topic, that is wood, a model auxiliary. Lesson the Sarmnet Banaras. Dear students, let's have a brief introduction or understanding about the model auxiliary wood. Let us start now. Subject added by wood and ended by verb first form. So, just like we learn about the model auxiliaries before this model auxiliary wood, in every model auxiliary subject is obligatory or necessary. So here, in this model auxiliary, subject plus wood plus verb first form. Example number first. Your friend would come to meet you. Your friend would come to meet you. Your friend would come to meet you. It means here is the subject, your friend. Your friend would, here is the model auxiliary, come to meet you. Number second, she would like, that means she would. Number third, they would play in the evening. Would here is the model auxiliary in the sentence. Number four, my brother would be very happy to see you. My brother would be very happy to see you. These are the brief examples regarding this model auxiliary would. So A here is, would is used with any subject. Just like other model auxiliaries, would is used with any subject. वुड को किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के साथ इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. वुड इज यूज्ड विद एनी सब्जेक्ट. देयर इज नो बाइंडिंग, जस्ट लाइक yesterday should I and we. So here is no binding in this model auxiliary. That means would is used with any subject. Number B, verb first form is used after would. Verb first form is used after would. Just like in the example first, your friend would come. Here would come. Would is the model auxiliary and come is the first form of verb. Come, came, come. Dear students, come is the first form of verb here. Just like in second example, she would like. Like here is the first form of verb. In third example, play. They would play. They would be very happy. Very. They would be very happy. Be here is the first form of verb. Be. Don't have a confusion here, dear students. So I have given a brief introduction regarding verb first form in the above examples. So would is used in a subject, verb first form is used after would. Next example, he would like to eat food. He would like to eat food. Like here is in verb first form. We use would in past tense. We use would in past tense when the will is in the future tense. Would is used in the past tense. यानी would को हमेशा past tense में इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा. At end of the word there is D, W-O-U-L-D. When there is D, it is past tense. Any word in any sentence, when D is at the end of the word or in the sentence, it means it is in the past. So here, example here is, except that D, which is required for food grains or other vegetables. You should not consider that in the past, just like above food. It is not in the past tense. So here, we use would in past tense. Example number first, I desired that I would become a doctor. I desired that I would become a doctor. Desired here is the past tense. Desired. D पर end होता है word. D-E-S-I-R-E-D. D पर end होता है. That is the past tense. They promised that she would get a chance. They promised here is the past tense. Promised. D is at the end of word. D. Promised. They promised that she would get a chance. Past tense. Now dear students, what would expresses? इस मॉडल ऑब्जेक्ट से हमें क्या जाहिर होता है? वुड क्या जाहिर करता है? यानी इसमें क्या वो चीज है जो जाहिर करता है? वुड एक्सप्रेसेस हैपनिंग इन द पास्ट. हैपनिंग इन द पास्ट, जो वाक़ात हुए हैं या हादसात हुए इन द पास्ट, जो मामलात हुए इन द पास्ट. पास्ट टेंस में यानी माजी में जो हुआ है. हैपनिंग इन द पास्ट, जो माजी में गुजरा है या हुआ है. पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट भी इसमें आती है. पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, इल्तिजा. पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, इसमें कोई तेजी नहीं है. इन्हें पोलाइटली, हम्बली इसको बोलते हैं. एंड फ्रीक्वेंट एक्टिविटीज इन पास्ट, जो पास्ट में एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, जो काम होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंट एक्टिविटीज इन पास्ट. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you should know that would expresses happening in the past, polite request, frequent activities in past. Frequent means लगातार जो काम होते हैं पास्ट में, या अमलियात जो होते हैं. एक्टिविटीज मीन्स अमलियात जो होते हैं इन द पास्ट में. दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंट एक्टिविटीज इन द पास्ट. एग्जाम्पल, my father would go to college to know about me each day. My father would go to college to know about me each day. My father would go to college to know about me each day. My father would go to college. मेरा बाप कॉलेज जाएगा to know about me each day. My father would go college to know about me. In this sentence, there is frequent activities in the past. That my father would go to college to know about me each day. हर दिन वो जाएगा कॉलेज मेरे बारे में जानने के लिए. इन ईज यानी एक्टिविटीज यहां पर तो कंटिन्यू है. फ्रीक्वेंट लगातार एक्टिविटीज हो रही हैं. यानी उसकी बाप की लगातार एक्टिविटीज हैं, यानी मेरे बाप की लगातार एक्टिविटीज हैं कि वो कॉलेज जाते हैं, स्कूल जाता है मेरे बारे में जानने के लिए कि मैं स्कूल में क्या कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ रहा हूँ या कुछ और कर रहा हूँ. बट हियर इज द एक्सप्रेशन. इट मीन्स एक्सप्रेसेस. वुड एक्सप्रेस हियर फ्रीक्वेंट एक्टिविटीज इन द पास्ट. My father would go to college to know about me. About me each day. हर दिन वो जाएगा कॉलेज, जाएगा हर दिन मेरे बारे में मालूम करने के लिए, मेरी जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए. So it's a frequent activity in the past. Number second, would you please give me some money? वुड यू प्लीज गिव मी सम मनी, मेहरबानी करके क्या आप मुझे कुछ पैसा दोगे, या मेहरबानी करके मुझे कुछ पैसा दो। यहाँ पर सवाल कर रहा है, क्या आप मेहरबानी करके मुझे कुछ पैसा देंगे। यहाँ पर एक सवाल करता है, वुड यू प्लीज गिव टू मी सम मनी, क्या आप मुझे कुछ पैसा दे दोगे, ये आपकी मेहरबानी होगी। इट इज पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट। वुड यू प्लीज, प्लीज व्हेन देयर इज प्लीज, इट इज पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट। प्लीज मेहरबानी करके, इसमें धमकी नहीं है, थ्रेट नहीं है, प्लीज। ये बेग कर, इल्तिजा करते हैं, प्लीज गिव मी सम मनी, मेहरबानी कर मुझे कुछ पैसा दे दो, पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट। नंबर 3, वुड यू प्लीज सिंग ए सॉन्ग, वुड यू प्लीज सिंग ए सॉन्ग, पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट। क्या आप कोई गीत गाओगे, प्लीज सिंग ए सॉन्ग, मेहरबानी करके कोई गीत गाओ मेरे लिए। प्लीज हियर इज द पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज हियर इज द पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट। इट मीन्स dear students, that would express happening in the past, polite request, frequent actions in the past, and again to the first 4 examples. Your friend would come, would, here the modal auxiliary come is the first form verb. She would like, would is the modal auxiliary like is the first form verb. Number 3, would, they would play, would is the modal auxiliary play is the first form verb. My mother, so in the 4 example, my brother would be, would here is the modal auxiliary, be is the first form verb. So just like example, next example, he would like is the first form. We use would in past tense. Remember, dear students, we use would in past tense. We use would in past. It is in the past tense. So, dear students, it is for all the day. Thanks.